There's nothing worse than having really good quality knives and then storing them in the drawer. By doing that, it's number one, unsafe, and it also can damage your beautiful knives. The best way to store your knives is on a knife block just like this, and I love this because it's magnetic, so it just makes it so much easier to access your knives. Also, when you purchase a knife block just like this, it comes with the most popular knives, and these are the ones that I use all the time. So we've got a paring knife, the vegetable knife, carving knife for all your roasts, cook's knife, and a bread knife. It's also much more cost effective to buy a whole set just like this one. And to be honest, in a modern kitchen, I think it's so fantastic to display a knife. So when your friends come over, they know that you've got the best.